Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look at Polygon here. Before we begin, as always, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel, so drop us a like down below now. As we can see, we're looking at Polygon here. Really over the past week or so we haven't done that much, have we, ever since we fell down back inside below this key Fibonacci level, back into this range that we're in for a very long time. You can see back here, if you watch my old videos you will know that basically ever since we came into these two Fibonacci levels between the 0.38 and the 0.50, between, let's just say, 75 cents and $1, really we were just bouncing in between those levels for a long ass time, weren't we? Obviously we got that breakout to the upside, which was nice to see, but obviously with the FTX collapse we came back inside the range again, came down, tested the low, started to grind our way to the upside, made a new swing high here, looking very bullish actually. But then obviously since then we've had kind of this ABC correction in the market for a lot of altcoins, really just trickling to the downside. Bitcoin obviously leading the way right now, and when Bitcoin does start to look a little bit bearish, people do start to get a little bit concerned. If we look at Bitcoin's chart quickly, you can see basically what's been happening. We've just had this little ABC correction on the very recent time frame, and then Bitcoin just grinding underneath this resistance right now. And you can see Polygon, it's done something like this. It's had an adverse reaction, a much starker reaction in its correlation to the price movements of Bitcoin. You can see we came down, lost this low, came down to the next swing area here. You can see you got the bounce, and now really just kind of chopping to the side here, trying to figure out which direction we are going to go and test first. As I said before, I think it's quite likely, considering how overextended we did get here on the RSI as well. Getting down here, quite a significant amount of downtrend, a lot of red candles in a row here. I'd say probably at least a little bounce back up to this level, fairly likely, and that is the situation I'm looking for right now, waiting for that bounce, most likely back up to this key level here at the 0.50. Looking to take a short position in this area, or a long position if we come down to the 0.38, but apart from that, just waiting and seeing what happens as always. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.